Sir, can we ask you a few questions? Fascinating. Cutthroat around here. Nothing is safe, people.
Hello and welcome everybody. This is Maker Melee and we're here at Social Medium in sunny Southern California. I'm your host with the most, Davis DeWitt, and today we have our three contestants who will be battling it out for the title of the Melee Maker winner. We haven't actually come up with a good title for that, so we'll work on that. So summer's coming up, 4th of July is next month, and everybody's in the summer spirit, so we want to have a competition that reflects that. We're letting our makers do whatever they want to design their perfect float. So the recipe is, we have our little RC car base, and then we have our cardboard topper. And so once they attach that, they can then build whatever they want on top of it and drive it around.
So now that we've introduced the challenge, it's time to introduce the challengers. So starting off, we have Chelsea.
We have
Jordan. Lorraine.
You guys have your materials, you have your prompt. It is time. You have 60 minutes. Your time starts now. We have our criteria, and these are the three different categories that represent how each project will be judged. At the top is, of course, accuracy, and that is how close to the prompt are our builders going to get each project. Next is creativity. This is a pretty broad prompt, so how are they going to take these challenges and integrate it into a really nice finished product? And that leads us into execution, which is the devil's in the details, so let's see how they do with all of the fine detail work to make this look like a true parade float. Now that we know our criteria, let's cut back to our builders and see how they're working.
Lorena, what are you looking for?
I'm not sure yet. I'm just kind of like looking around. I have an idea, but I just kind of want to see what we have going on here.
What do you make? What are you looking for?
Don't worry about it. That's a secret. Don't get in my business like that.
Jordan, what are you looking for?
Honestly, I have no clue. That's it. I don't know what I'm doing.
This appears to be pretty well decorated. How are you feeling about your project?
I mean, it's coming along.
Who's on top?
The person on top is the mistress of all evil. It's Maleficent. I don't know if you guys know, but that's like my jam. Like, oh. I may have don't use that. I may or may not have recently seen Paint the Night Parade, and there was a lack of villainry going on in that float.
We got to bring it back. Hiding behind a large piece of paper, we now have our next contestant who is making some very pretty
Nice
visual cutouts. It does kind of look like the
It's gonna take a while.
Womp Crusher things in Mario with the shape of the thing around. What are we? Yeah, what's
It does look like
it. Does. What's the shape that we're making here?
I'm just seeing if I like this as like the bottom part. I'm kind of just going.
Are we gonna like fold these down so you have like little tassel
Yes.
things?
Yeah.
So much smarter than I am. What's gonna be what's the color scheme that you're thinking for this one?
Probably all the colors. We're gonna figure that out as we go.
Very festive. We love it. All right, I'll leave you to it. We'll check in with our next contestant here. Oh, who is currently mid glue and paint.
Yeah.
Tell us what kind of theme are we going for this one?
Going for a space theme.
Interesting.
Yep, and it's stars and moon, and gonna make this guy, I don't know, he has bombs, but we're just gonna ignore that. And now they're buttons.
They're gonna be festive holiday buttons.
Yep, and they, we're gonna paint him to look not like a scary military ninja.
Oh, I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, contestants, we have 30 minutes left in this competition. All right, Brian has hidden underneath this curtain the big twist surprise that our challengers, our builders, are going to have to integrate into their build. Brian, do you know what's under this curtain?
I do.
How much do you think it's going to change what we see over here?
Quite a bit, I'm hoping.
All right, are you ready to pull the curtain? You ready to reveal everything?
Sure. Let's
take it away. Oh, it's snacks!
It's snacks.
Are you hungry, Brian?
I'm always hungry.
Well, hopefully our contestants are hungry. Contestants, How do you feel about snacks in your builds?
Feed my shorts.
You're doing a really delicate task. I'm gonna now ask you which snack you would prefer to integrate into your build. We have a giant thing of popcorn or a giant thing of pretzel.
Give me a pretzel.
A one pretzel?
I will take 2 pretzels then, so in case I break one.
Yeah. Do you want anything to eat?
No.
Lorraine, would you like a pretzel? Or a popcorn? We also have popcorn. That's not shorts. Of our 2 snacks.
Oh no. This was in the box.
Oh,
So-
suckers. The real suckers were the friends we made along the way, but you have found a way to integrate that into the build. I love it.
Correct.
Amazing. How much time do you think you need?
So many more hours.
Tragically, we can't afford that. This is we're Team Wicked the movie,
I'm gonna fight him. Team Wicked the movie.
and then we also have Team Scope Creep,
Wait, what?
Team Scope Creep, and Team Hot Stuff.
Scope creep. What does that mean? What?
Oh, you're probably when you're like, I want it to look exactly the way I want it in my head, and then that scope gets bigger, bigger, bigger. We'll kill him right now.
Yeah, put him in the back.
Reporting from the back of her car in a plastic bag, I'm David Stewart, and this is my funeral. All right, our contestants are officially down to
Get
their
out of my
final
face.
10
Get out of my
minutes.
face. Get out of my
Some
face.
of them are handling
Get
pressure
out.
far better than others.
Okay.
We're gonna now go to Team Wicked, the movie, the film, the play. How's your project coming along?
It's on fire right now, you know? In the best way possible.
Sounds like things are going really, really well. And Team Hot Stuff, how's this coming along?
It's going great. I didn't try hard, so I'm done.
Did you melt anything with the? Where did you had the hot gun? Where did the hot?
I twisted his body and now he's surfing.
Oh, that's actually really cool.
Yeah, he's defying gravity.
See, that's
Oh, like from Team Wicked, the movie, the
Yeah.
film. That,
Oh,
yeah.
I'm going to
Oh
punch
my
you.
god. Oh.
Hi, I'm Davis. I'm gonna wake up in the back of a car.
Yeah. Oh.
It is now 5 minutes left. Our contestants are in the final portion of this build. Some are handling the pressure better than others, as always. But more importantly, we potentially might be having some special guest judges. So hopefully they integrate their food, they integrate their final touches, and we'll come back when we are ready to show the finished product.
It's not supposed to do that, but we're gonna. Oh, actually, that is making it a little more fiery.
curl.
So, okay. Happy accident. Little Bob Ross.
Oh my god, pencil!
It's right next to your scissors.
Where is the
I put
pencil?
enough.
You set the scissors on top of it.
It's like Lorena running around in the background. Of this.
2 minutes.
Where's the
2 minutes. The purple scissors. Contestants, you have 1 minute left.
Oh no. I'm so nervous.
No. Walk back out that door. Walk
turn
back
around.
out that door.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Amazing. Could you hold this for a second? I'm kidding. Excellent. All right, our builders have finally completed Blood, Sweat, and Tears. We've finished our floats here. They look beautiful. They look excellent. But we also have someone here to help us, actually 2 people here to help us judge, because I can't be trusted with the sole responsibility. So judges, introduce yourselves.
Hello, I'm Todd. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Todd.
Brian.
Brian, the man of the hour, every hour. And tell us, what are your, have you been to a parade before?
Yes. I've been talking.
I think they're more than qualified. I think that's more than enough qualification. Let's quickly recap our criteria of this build. First and foremost, and this is going to be important for you guys, accuracy. And the prompt was parade floats. Now there was no subcategory, it was just parade float. So, as you look through, think of the parade that you might see these in and how close to the prompt those were. Our next criteria was creativity. It was a pretty wide prompt, so how did each contestant take that prompt and run with it? How creative were they in using that prompt? And then lastly is execution. How well executed is each of these floats in creating a true miniaturized parade float? So, and also we can't forget, Brian introduced a twist halfway through our challenge, which was integrating a food element into the build.
I see.
Yeah. So we have some, we have some suckers here. We got some different food elements. So that will also be part of the criteria on how they do as a finished winner. And we are now going to go delegate for many days, and we'll be back.
I don't think that one means, but yeah. Deliberate.
Deliberate.
We're gonna go tailgate for several days.
We're gonna go
thanks.
tailgate for 7 days. Cool. I'm now standing in front of the dragon because it looks cool. And we are now going to deliberate for the next few days and try and find out which winner will be going home with the big prize, which is a trip to Cancun in Minecraft. What is the actual prize?
We'll Photoshop them into this picture.
We will Photoshop them into a picture
They'll have
of
a
Cancun.
wonderful time.
All of our contestants will get to go home with a Captain America popcorn bucket. However, the final winner will get to pick something out of the prize bucket. Wait, what was the actual finished prize?
I appreciate that they get to go home at all.
Yeah, the winner will get to go home. All right, if you had to rank them 1 through 3, what's going to be? Let's start at 3 and work our way up.
What was the third one?
The space.
That should tell
Sorry,
you
let's
everything
edit that
you need
better.
to know.
Let's edit that
Everything
better.
you need to know.
Let's take that take one more time. That was rude. Sorry, too snarky. If you put me in a Top Gear style episode, I will Jeremy Clarkson. Let's. Yeah.
All right, so if you had to rank them, if you had to go in a 1, 2, 3, let's start at the bottom. Let's start with number 3. How were you going to put them?
I would put the space one at the bottom.
Why?
Because in terms of parade floats, it was the least 360 presentable. Because
It had food in it.
Yes, but if you were staring at it from the back, all you would see is the back
of a ball.
is the back portion
When was
of
the last
it
time you looked at the back of a float?
as it passed by.
This year.
Unbelievable. Interesting. All right, float number 2. What's going to get float number 2 position?
Maleficent.
Maleficent.
Maleficent? Maleficent.
What?
Potatoes, Chicago.
All right, why Maleficent?
Maleficent?
Maleficent. Oh, God.
The
That
more
one.
The more you say it, the worse.
The worst it gets. Why number 2?
It was because they didn't incorporate the twist in a way that I could see very well.
Or taste.
Or taste.
Please don't lick the actual final objects. All right, why number 2?
That was part of the judging.
Too late.
Drop it, spit it out. All right, number 2, Maleficent.
I agree. The Maleficent had a lot of intent. It doesn't sound like a word anymore. You can see they put all the effort into composition and then went, we're committing to this completely and we're going to ignore the prize twist. And we're going to get the points we get, which is admirable.
Admirable, and it landed 2nd place.
Yeah.
All right, your favorite.
So I think putting the effort in making a working carousel is admirable in the time span that we got.
What are your thoughts, Brian?
I agree. I think they made the best use of the food element and also the colors on the food element as incorporated in the carousel.
True. You can also tell as they ran out of time, you just work your way up, look your eyes up the product, and you'll see how quickly they ran out of time.
And then-
Do you think that a more completed, more finished from head to toe float like the, I was going to say Wicked, like the Maleficent float, do you think that gets some props?
I feel like it didn't invoke food. That was the issue with it. It was the one of the strongest compositions, and it was very structurally sound, but I didn't see the food shine through.
Interesting. To be fair, Brian did throw the food wrench in the gears about halfway through the project.
I was told to.
That is true. That is true. All right, number one. You guys have already said it. Are you ready to go tell our contestants which one is going to be the winner?
Ready as I ever will be.
Perfect. I hope they shoot the messenger. Let's go find out. It's always me. After you, Brian.
Of course.
After much deliberating with our judges, we have finally broken down who is in first, who is in second, and who is in third. With that being said, let's take a look one more time at our individual floats. We have our carousel float, we have our space-themed float, and we have our Maleficent-themed float. So each one did a really good job with the 3 criteria, but which one did the best? So let's start in third place. We have our space float. Now you have to come stand behind it.
No.
Moving on.
Thank you.
Excellent,
I
excellent
tried
job. Round of
super
applause.
hard. And this is rigged.
You heard it here first, folks.
Are we in the
In second place, with our green and purple, we have our Maleficent float.
Woo! Second. We get a recount.
Stop the count.
Stop the count.
Sorry.
Excuse me. Pardon me.
And that means the winner of this episode of Maker Melee is none other than our carousel float. Thank you, contestants, so much. These are beautiful floats. Anything you want to say? Any last words from your finished project? And now, before our contestants can drive their cars off the edge of this table, it's time to present our final awards to each of our participants. So we have a Captain America shield, which is also, I'm told, a popcorn bucket.
Yeah, I'll take that one.
Yes, in third place. And
Damaged
second place
one.
is
They're all damaged.
Yeah, but this
except
one's
for
That one's the
No, that one's also damaged.
award. That one's really good.
That's how they came from the movie theater.
how they came from the movie
I
theater.
thought they were all like the middle one and it was all Civil War references.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, that it's really fun.
I don't want to drive my carousel.
You don't have to. You're the winner.
Don't worry, she will.
Oh, Everyone.
It survived!
Oh,
Run it back.
No.
No.
Nope.
Perfect. So we have our prize bucket here, and because you've won, you get to pick any one single prize out of this entire bucket. What do you think you're going to go home with?
I'm not sure. I have to look through it first.
Absolutely. Take your time.
Can you turn around?
Yeah. Well, and actually, I think we can take this moment to talk to some of our other contestants who have won some additional prizes. They're mostly participation prizes. And that, folks, is Maker Melee. Make sure you come to the next Maker Melee. Thank you so much. This has not been sponsored in any way by AMC Theaters, but they just gave us those. Thank you for watching. We gotta do the Great British Bake Off thing where we go.
I don't know what that is.
All contestants are 45 minutes in. Her cake's already collapsed. I don't know, whatever they do on that show. They're like,
My
"It's
cake's already
abysmal."
collapsing. I may have made, or may have, that. Don't use that.
Sir, a moment of your time. Sir. Sir.
Do water.
Do not.
Okay, do not drink the art
Drink the
water.
art
Okay,
water.
do not drink the art water.
That's what my mother. Brian,
I love it.
do you have an art degree?
I do have an art degree.
Excellent. You can also fog a mirror, so you're a perfect guest judge. Sorry, we can do this for real.
Putting you on the spot, my brain doesn't work.
I don't know. He leaves.